Stop! Before you reach for another antacid or suffer through another painful meal, your digestive system is screaming for help, and you're ignoring the one tropical solution that could change everything in just 7 days. While you're spending hundreds on probiotics and supplements that barely work, there's a simple fruit sitting in your grocery store that contains the most powerful digestive enzyme on Earth. I'm about to reveal the papaya secret that's been hiding in plain sight, and why 3 out of 4 people with digestive problems could be pain-free by next week if they just knew this. Let's get brutally honest. If you're over 30, your body produces 50% fewer digestive enzymes than it did in your 20s. If you're experiencing bloating, gas, heartburn, or that heavy feeling after meals, you're not alone. 78% of adults suffer from digestive issues daily. That uncomfortable feeling isn't normal, it's your body desperately crying for enzyme support. And here's the scary part. Poor digestion doesn't just affect your stomach. It's destroying your energy, ruining your skin, weakening your immune system, and stealing years from your life. But what if I told you the solution has been sitting in the produce aisle this entire time? Meet Papaya, the enzyme superstar hiding inside every papaya. This isn't some trendy superfood nonsense. This is pure science. Papaya is so powerful at breaking down proteins, it's literally used as a meat tenderizer. Imagine what it can do for the undigested food sitting in your gut right now. Ever wonder why people in tropical countries rarely have the digestive problems we do? They've been using papaya medicinally for thousands of years. Here are the 5 major health benefits that happen when you add papaya enzymes to your daily routine. Benefit 1. Instant digestive relief. Within 30 minutes, papaya starts breaking down proteins that cause bloating and gas. That uncomfortable fullness? Gone. Benefit 2. Energy explosion. When your body stops wasting energy fighting undigested food, you get that energy back. We're talking 3 p.m. energy crashes becoming a thing of the past. Benefit 3. Inflammation fighter. Papaya reduces inflammation throughout your entire body. Joint pain, skin issues, even brain fog, all connected to gut inflammation. Benefit 4. Immune system boost. Benefit 5. Anti-aging powerhouse. Here's exactly how to use papaya for maximum digestive power. Timing is everything. Eat 1 cup of fresh papaya 30 minutes before your meals, not after. This gives the enzymes time to activate. The secret: slightly unripe papaya has 3 times more papain than fully ripe fruit. Look for papaya that's firm with just a hint of yellow. Morning: papaya before breakfast. Evening: papaya before your largest meal. Within 7 days you'll feel the difference. Within 21 days people will ask what you're doing differently. Look, I'm not saying papaya is magic, but when your digestive system finally works the way it's supposed to, the results feel magical. Here's what breaks my heart. Every day you wait is another day of unnecessary suffering, another day of low energy, digestive discomfort, and feeling less than your best. Your digestive health is declining every single day you don't take action. Those enzymes aren't coming back on their own, but you have a choice right now. Imagine waking up tomorrow with steady energy that lasts all day. Imagine eating your favorite foods without fear or discomfort. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing clearer skin, brighter eyes, a healthier you. I challenge you to try this for just 7 days. Buy 3, 4 papayas tonight, start tomorrow morning, track how you feel. Your body has been waiting for you to give it what it needs. Don't make it wait another day. Your transformation starts with one simple decision: make it now. Drop a comment below. What digestive issue are you most ready to eliminate? And if this helped you, smash that like button. It helps us reach more people who need this life-changing information. Subscribe for more simple health solutions that actually work. Your future self will thank you.